This is the new Edge OCA vacuum laminating machine. It will need to connect with external vacuum pump and air compressor. This is the filter. Usually we will disassemble before shipment in order to protect it. So once you get the package, you just install it back on the left side. The external pipe for you to connect with the air compressor. Air compressor you just get at local. So just to connect with the one of the connector from your air compressor is okay. So this one is for air compressor, and another one, this for the vacuum pump. Here. Make it tighten. Okay. And this is the power line for the vacuum pump. So the machine itself can control for this vacuum pump. And this is the power for the OCA vacuum laminator. Okay, so the installation is finished. Click Start button and choose English here. Usually we will preset it, so you just click the auto run. This is our new mode for S7 Edge. The rubber side. The machine itself, it does not include this kind of mode. Make alignment for the OCA film and the glass. Cover it together and put inside this universal mode and inside the machine. Close the door and click Start. Okay. So this settings, it is for the curve. The vacuum degree here, it can nearly up to minus 0.1. Okay, now it is laminating. So it is really very quickly. Take less than 1 minute. Usually there will be no bubbles, but you can put it in the bubble removal machine. Then you can just put it in the bubble removal machine for like 4 or 5 minutes. It's okay. Okay, let's start.